Hello everyone, I'm here with our first severe weather discussion, first video of our new series, which severe weather discussions will happen before big severe weather events or just severe weather events. Yeah, so we have one today for tomorrow, which is Monday, and then we have one for Tuesday. It's going to be a double video today, so it could be not really a long video, because these won't be really long videos. We'll just be talking pretty in depth about the severe weather and what could happen. So as you guys saw in the winter storm video, we have a slight risk in Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas tomorrow, and a marginal risk going all the way to Arkansas. Tornado threat, we do have a 5% in Oklahoma City, wind threat, hail threat, a little bit further to the north than the wind threat. And then for day 3, we have a slight risk further to the east, which we'll look at later. I think that tomorrow is going to be a bigger day because this is out in the plains. So yeah, let's look at this. We go till tomorrow afternoon and we see this sort of complex here. And the M3KM model is not saying much is going to happen. But, so let's look at another model here. Which model should we look at? We'll take a look at the RAP model. But we can't zoom in using the RAP model, sadly. Let's see, what is the GFS saying? Let's just zoom back in on this region. Yeah, so the GFS says there could be some tornadoes, or some storms tomorrow night. So, let's get a severe weather. Let's take a look at, surface base Cape. We'll take a look at most unstable Cape later. Alright, so Cape tomorrow is not going to be pretty high. We will see values of 1,000 in Oklahoma City about 850. Tuesday will might have a little bit more Cape, but later, almost into Tuesday's forecast, Tuesday at 8 a.m. 7 a.m. in the morning, because it's Central Daylight Time, there will be 1,000 in southern Kansas. So that could be make some storms. We'll probably see a little bit of a complex here, maybe some supercells down here. Yeah, let's look at a supercell composite for this area. We go to Tuesday morning. We're gonna have to look at 7 a.m. This is at like 1 a.m. in the morning. We have 7s in Oklahoma, so that's pretty good. In Kansas, we have a 7 up there. We have supercell composite. Now we're gonna switch back to the NAM model. Alright, so let's take a look at the if we have any upper level support with this 500 millibar height wind, because you need this support. And then tomorrow afternoon, though, we see it. We have our little trough starting to come in like this. Not really good for severe weather, though. We don't really see much divergence. We see a little bit, but nothing too significant. We have 70. We have enough of these winds. But I think Tuesday will be stronger as we see more power come in. But it's not really divergence any sort of this kind of that's one of the blocking areas with this, and Cape will be one of the blocking areas for this event. Let's take a look at the other severe weather risk here. Let's take a look at the significant tornado parameter. Alright, it's see it, significant tornado parameter 1.8 in Texas. It's not where we're looking for severe weather though. Alright, but Tuesday morning, when we will be seeing severe weather, there will be enough significant tornado parameter in the Oklahoma. See some severe weather. We could see 2.3, Oklahoma City 1.5, and then let's go take a look at Tuesday now. So Tuesday, significant tornado parameters will be in Tennessee. We could see ones of 1.5, actually a little bit higher, 2.2. Cape. Cape on Tuesday could be 1,500 in some areas. Take a look at supercell composite. Alright, supercell composite is, we see it at about 12 right there. Sorry about that, I was drinking some water. Okay. Super Composite, we see an 11. All the way up into Kentucky, Southern Illinois, we could see severe weather. So, yeah. Let's take a look at the CIN, which is the cap. Here, yeah, so we could see, we have a little bit of a cap in this area, but we should be able to see some severe weather pop up. Yeah, later in the day, that cap kind of fades, so this area will be prominent for some severe weather. So, yeah, it's that severe weather risk. Let's take a look at something else for Tuesday. I forgot what it was. I wanted to get lifted index, yeah. So take a look at the lifted index for Tuesday. We see some lift. A lot of lift in Tennessee, all the way up to Southern Illinois, we see it. So I think the most prominent area, or not prominent, but the most high area for severe weather will probably be in this region. Right here, that's where we could see some development, and probably out in, maybe like that. Out in here later in the day, we could see some severe weather further to the south and east. But yeah, that'll wrap up this little severe weather discussion. Please leave a like and comment if you guys like this. Please subscribe. But yes, peace out.